Before you can host a website, you need to give it an address so your visitors can find it. This address is called a domain name, and you need to register it. Let's show you how. Start by opening your browser and visiting hosted.com. Use our domain name search to check if your desired domain name is available. Simply type in your preferred name and select your top-level domain like .com, .net, or .org. Once you've found the perfect domain, add it to your cart. Next, choose your registration period. We offer options from 1 to 10 years. Click Proceed to Cart. Click Checkout. Now, log into your hosted.com account. If you don't have one yet, you can easily create a new account. Fill in your registrant details, including your name, business name, email, and other essential contact information. Now proceed to payment using our secure checkout process. At the bottom of the page, tick the box to agree to our terms and services, and finally click Complete Order to finalize your purchase. Once the transaction is complete, your domain is officially registered. Finally, check your email for a verification message from us. Click the link inside to confirm your domain registration. Congratulations, the domain is now yours, ready to host your website. Stay tuned for our next steps on getting your site online.